Hi everyone, Craig from Beam Automation here. Just a quick video for today, just to let you know that we're super excited about a particular product that we're going to be launching very soon in the coming weeks. And today, just want to show a bit of a glimpse of it and a demonstration of what that sort of looks like. And it's purely around AI chatbots that we're going to be implementing for our clients' websites and other channels. So now, before I dive in, I just want to go over a couple of things just around chatbots, because we've seen a lot of, chatbots over the last few years, and how these new ones are going to be a game changer going forward. Now, in the past, websites have had chatbots implemented, and a lot of those chatbots have been requiring a human to be, manning those chatbots and answering those questions as they come in from someone inquiring through their website. Now, the beauty of this is that it does not require a human to get involved. So with AI now is that it is a learning bot, essentially. So we can plug as much information into these bots. So it's products, services, blogs, video, PDFs, specification sheets, case studies, testimonials. Basically, the works can be fed into these chatbots, so it really gets to understand your product or service and business as a whole, so that it can answer some pretty precise questions that someone might be asking through the chatbot. It even goes even more than that, because the way we can, program these bots is that we can almost act as a virtual sales assistant as well at the same time. So it can come back to the prospect about asking some key questions that are ultimately qualifying that lead, whether it's by price or by location or by need or whatever it is, so that it gets to understand who they are, where they've come from, and then it can be assigned to a particular salesperson with all that data plugged in for that salesperson to learn who this prospect is. Also, is that whatever information is being fed into the chatbot here is all being plugged into the CRM. So all of that data is collected, or intelligence is being collected by the prospect, and again handed over to the salesperson to follow up. But here's the kicker. So the way that these chatbots can ultimately work is that, sure, they're asking some key questions or answering some key questions at the start, but they are going to lead to appointing them a sales meeting with a salesperson through their questionnaires. So, and again, that's all done automatically via the chatbot. So let me just dive in. I'll just do a very short demo for you, and I can show you how that sort of works. Okay, so this demonstration here is obviously it's built around our business, Beam Automation, but again, this can work for any business of any size, whether you're a small one band to a retail store to a larger organization, it doesn't matter. It's all about feeding the right information, data, products, services, everything it needs to understand and know about your business or company. So let me just quickly dive in. We've already assigned some key prompts here into the chatbot, and these are just our key service offerings. And these can be replaced or adjusted to any business of any whatever their products or services are. But in this exercise, I'm just going to click one, which is say sales automation. And within a couple of seconds, it's giving me a bit of a quick response on how sales automation can affect my business and improve things. So it's asking now, okay, well, how am I going to assist you further? It's asking for some more key information. Okay, sure. So I'm just going to ask a question back saying, I need more info on sales follow-ups for my sales team. Has a bit of a think, but then, so now it's come back to me with a bit of a brief explanation about the sales follow-ups. It could talk about some various investment packages, which is probably what I do want to know, but it's now asking me here that we can either explore some further options, which is great, because if it's, if this inquiry is late at night or on weekends when the offices are closed, I might want to ask some other key information. But says during business hours, I probably would like for a human to step in so I can ask some real personalized questions or more detailed questions that might suit my business, or if I was a prospect inquiring about this sort of service. So in this exercise, I'm going to book a meeting. So I'll respond that in the chat. Now, this is great, but obviously before we actually proceed, it does need a contact number and email address. So I can put that in. I can even put my name in. I'll put my mobile in, my email. And again, I'm not having to prompt this every single time. Like I can just do all this in one line because all of this is being fed straight into the CRM. Right. Thanks for providing information. It's personalized that message for me. We've stored that information. Now let's find a suitable meeting. I'll check my calendar. And then when it says I'll check my calendar, the bot is syncing with your sales team's availability. So it'll actually work out a particular assigned time slot that's going to work with them. And say, sure, sounds good. So now it's going to send me an email with a Google Meeting link with essentially a sales call that's already been preset. So fantastic. Now, obviously that email is being sent through, but I might have an option to say, how about Wednesday at 2 p.m. And it's automatically looked at my calendar or looked at the sales team's calendar, and it says that this works perfectly, and then I'll receive another confirmation for that to be all locked in. That'll all be synced to the CRM, plus the sales team will get a confirmation from the prospect to say your meeting's booked, as well as that's all been updated, and the receiver, I guess the prospect, will also get an email to say, yep, you are booked in for that sales call at Wednesday at 2 o'clock. So that's just a quick demonstration. Obviously, it can do a hell of a lot more. The more we plug in, the more we can program the bot, the better experience is. Now, there are different versions with the chatbots because it's using ChatGTP, and obviously there's version 3, 3.5, and 4, and more new releases coming out. And what that means is the better, I guess, the higher the number of ChatGTP, the more smarter it is, and therefore each prompt or each message that's been inserted into the chat, it does cost what we call a message credit. So not all these chats are free. So yes, you pay a monthly fee to have this on your website, but you're also paying a credit fee, not on top of, because a lot of our packages will come with a credit fee built in. It just means if you're on a lower grade ChatGTP, it's obviously cheaper. To the more higher grade, I guess the more intelligent versions of ChatGPT do cost more, which I think about 10 credits or 15 credits or something like that. So again, we're going to be launching this very soon. We'll send some more information about the pricing and the tier structures on the types of chatbots that we're going to offer, from low grade simple ones to more high end intelligent versions, but very low cost, very cost effective, especially when you don't have to hire an additional person to man these chatbots 24/7. The chatbot will do it all for you. Plus, it'll set appointments for you. The chatbots will not just work on websites, but they'll also be able to feed into your social channels like Facebook and Instagram, and potentially even WhatsApp in the future as well. So these are going to be a game changer. So we're also going to be updating our own social channels, where I'm going to be offering a free personalized demonstration for your company. So just to show you how it sort of all works and how it can assist your company. So stay tuned for more information. We're super excited about it. Just keep following our socials once we're going to release it in coming weeks. Thanks again. Chat soon.